Okay, it is Saturday, but FrOSCon has finally ended. Thank you very much that you have been here. See you next year. No, we have something prepared for you.
Yes, this weekend we got the news that Bram Molenaar, the author of Vim, passed away at age 62, I believe. And many of us are avid users of his software, so we like to say goodbye and give our condolences to his family.
And friends, of course, and all the community. But we have some statistics for you. We had 1,300 visitors, which is, I guess, 500 more than last year. So we are more or less back to the level before the pandemic. Well, we had some, of course, we had a lot of drinks. I actually don't know the actual numbers, so we had a lot of Club Mate, a lot of Coke, but what we definitely know is we had 250 liters of beer, although we had this shitty weather yesterday.
Usually you drink more, but the water from above like dampened the thirst of the attendees.
But you managed to drink all the coffee our coffee dealer had. So thank you very much to Schwarzkirchen. It were 13 kilograms of coffee beans.
Yeah, we had a new record this year. We had 120 registered volunteers. That's rather a lot. Thank you very much for all your help during the conference.
I think it's a record.
And we did some. We asked everybody. Like most of the people have like those fancy new smartwatches or step counters, and I think those 450,000 steps is like for the 3 days of like build-up conference and today. So we have taken a lot of steps to make this conference happen. Yes.
Still counting, and I think at least half of the yoga does not have any step counters. So probably it's more or less double the size. Yeah, yesterday we had the first booth social event, or let's say decentral social event.
Like if some people are old enough here to remember CeBIT, the famous Stand parties. Now we have them at FrOSCon too.
So it's important to say booth, not booze, but anyway, it was boozy, I guess. The social event did close at 4:30, so this was a record.
This morning. There were some hardcore business.
Well, there were 50-ish people in the end, so I think this was nice.
Yeah, there will be an after-show party. When you're done helping us with the teardown, you're welcome to join us at the restaurant Dionysus. It's just up the road near the Autobahn, nice Greek restaurant where we invite you to have some drinks and some food with us.
We have some special thanks to C3 VOC. And C3 WOC. So Video Operating Center and of course Waffle Operating Center, just for those who do not know the abbreviations. Of course, we have to thank our crew, so all the helpers and volunteers. We also already mentioned over 130, yeah. So 120 and those. Thank you very much to all our volunteers. By the way, a lot of them are still managing the teardown outside.
Thank you to all our sponsors.
Partners.
Wording is important. That helped us make this event possible. A special thank you to our conference partner MLix. But everybody counts. Every partner is important.
course. Then I would like to thank all our organization team, so please come in front of us. And
while they're getting to us, we also have, of course, to thank the university, especially the Department of Computer Science, our co-presenters. We have to thank the team from Event Foam that made possible that we could call each other. Have we forgotten anyone?
Probably everyone earns a thank you, so also thank you to you, because without you, this conference would be pointless, I guess. So thank you very much to the audience, and thank you very much to all the team.
Thank you.
All right, so anybody who has some time to spend for us, please help us with the tear down. We need every hand. So if you just have a half an hour, it's fine. If you have 4 hours, I hope we are done by then. But anyway, everyone, of course, is also invited to the after show party. Thank you very much. See you next year.